Open the eXact iDip app. Tap Customers. Select Customer, Open menu, and tap Bluetooth test. Turn on and connect eXact iDip. Clean cell with brush. Rinse cell 3 times and fill. Fill cell to top. Select Test. Cap and zero eXact iDip. Remove strip. Replace lid on bottle. Remove strip. Replace lid on bottle. Remove cap and press read. Dip strip 10 seconds, 2 strokes per second. Remove strip at 1 second. Replace cap. Tap OK and zero eXact iDip. Remove cap and press read. Dip strip 10 seconds, 2 strokes per second. Remove strip at 1 second. Replace cap. Read result. Auto calculates total chlorine. Empty cell. Clean cell with brush. Rinse cell 3 times. Rinse cap 3 times.